In this video, how to deposit checks using Varo app. I will show you step by step how to deposit checks using the Varo app on your phone. First, open the Varo app on your mobile phone. Log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, go to the home screen of the app. Now look for the option called Move Money. Tap this option to see ways to add money. Now tap the option called Mobile Check Deposit. The app may show instructions on the screen. Read the instructions before continuing. Now take the check you want to deposit. Sign the back of the check as required. After that, tap the option to take a photo of the check. Take a clear photo of the front of the check. Make sure the image is clear and readable. Now, take a photo of the back of the check. Check that all details are visible in the photos. Enter the check amount correctly. Review the information before continuing. After that, tap Submit to send the check. The app will confirm the deposit submission. Processing may take a few business days. You can check the deposit status in the app. This is how you can deposit checks using the Varo app easily.